What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Thank you for tuning in. Obviously, on today's video we are doing a holiday glam look and we're gonna add some color to it, something to zhuzh it up. And this is something you could wear for like a holiday dinner, you know, if you're dressing up. That's the case. This is the perfect look for you. I call this the Emerald Glam holiday makeup look. I really love it. It suits dark skin tones. It's just a perfect, easy, simple look with a zhuzh of color. So if you want to see how I ate this look up, please carry on watching. It's December, so that means happy holidays, guys. I have done all my other skincare routine steps, but I'm going in with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This product has changed my skin this winter and I'm loving how glowy my skin is. I've done my eyebrows, so I'm going in with my Ultimate Eye Base from Makeup Revolution. Yes, I'm starting with eyes, and I know that's not what I usually do, but because I just do not want to have any green fallouts on my skin when I've done my base, so I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution palette. Guys, if I tell you Makeup Revolution is fire, it's fire. I'm going in with the red eyeshadow, which is the one I'm going to use on my crease, and I'm using that as a transition shade, blending it in with an orange. Going in with a darker plummy brown color, I'm going to dip in my crease area with that color. It's almost a dark brown, but it's like it got a bit of plumminess to it. I'm gonna blend all of that together because I want it to be nice and seamless. Going in with a clean brush with that orange, I'm going in near my brow bone area just to get that transition going. So I'm using this color from Makeup Revolution. It's like an emerald green. Guys, emerald green or green colors suit dark brown eyes and our dark skin. I'm going in with almost black color, but it's like a dark gray color just in the outer corner of that emerald green, just to give it a nice depth to it but not taken away from the color, and also on the corners of the eye. Using a lime green color, I'm just going in the middle just to give it a bit of an halo look, so it's just not a flat emerald green color, and this just looks so fire, you guys. So that's the green that I use, and I'm also using it in my inner corner. I am cleaning that up because I want it to be nice and sharp. Then I'm gonna go right ahead and line my eyes with the liquid eyeliner. Lashes on. We're going in with a color corrector. I don't always use the steps because I feel like with the skin routine that I've been doing lately, I've been having less and less dark circles and hyperpigmentation. So that's what I love. I'm going to be doing my underpainting method using my concealer from UJV. Guys, they're doing 50% off. You guys, you need to run, do not walk, and go get 50% off UJV products. This is not a joke, this is not a drill. Go get you some. I'm also using their foundation and I'm blending all that in. And if I tell you the foundation and the concealer blends like butter, I mean it. It blends like butter. And you can see that for yourself. This is not a lie. This is not me exaggerating. We are going in with a cream bronzer from La Cava, and we're gonna bronze and warm our face right up. I've been meaning to get my hands on this Velvet Powder Puff from Triggerwell. Look at the size difference, you guys. Look how massive it is. I just wanted to see if it's different from mine, and I must say it does feel a bit different. But because of the sales that happened on Black Friday, I managed to get my hands on some, and I did put on an orangey blusher and set my face together, going in with a black eyeliner in my waterline and blending that green shadow as well, setting again, and then we are putting some highlighter because we want to be glowing and glistening on holiday, of course. So for lips, we're going for that pumpkin spice latte lip I've been seeing all over, and I went in with my black liner and my lip shaper, which is pretty much a lip gloss from Makeup Revolution. It's like an orangey gloss, and it just went together with this black liner, and look at how it complements together using my Makeup Revolution fixing spray. Well, this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me get into the holiday glams, because when I think about Christmas, I think about greens, reds, you know, something that's gonna take you out of the normal. So I decided to do this look, and it's so dark skin friendly too and beginner friendly. I really like how it came out, and it's just giving sleephead with this gorgeous dress. If you enjoyed this look and if you're enjoying this holiday glam, please click that like and that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is look number 1, because we're going to be doing 3 looks for the holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.